Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. We're going to be changing out the trunk struts right here on both sides because the gate is falling down. Some tools you're going to need for this DIY, I believe it's only going to be a flat blade screwdriver like this, and then of course your replacement part. This is what my struts look like right here. Bought these off of Amazon. They're about 20 bucks for the set. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pop my trunk right here. You see how these aren't too bad, but they should just kind of fly up. But, yeah. These are what we're going to be replacing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to these tips right here. You're going to take your flat blade screwdriver. You're going to wedge it right where the flat blade is. You're going to kind of just pry it in there. Loosen that up, and then do the same thing for this bottom one. Wedge that in there, and then I'm just gonna give it force this way. Same thing up top. Alright, so we'll put the camera down. Already wedged it in right there. I'm just gonna pull it outward. That's going to dangle and just kind of pull this backward like that. Alright, got them both off. I'm just going to wipe that down right here. Same thing for this top one. Okay, there we go. And that, my friends, is how you change out these two struts. Very, very easy DIY. Takes about 10 minutes or so. Wrapping it up, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I'll see you in the next one. So they show you good functioning trunk struts. This is what it looks like. Look how fast that is. So we are good to go.